Get the chairs all the way back to the wooden doors. Wooden doors கொண்டு போங்க அந்த wooden வீட்டு கொண்டு போயிரு. நீங்க lot of empty space in this.
Sir, phone against the
phone stand. Tripod க்கு கீழ அந்த table வச்சிருங்க. Don't try to contact or don't try to send any messages to your friends because their phones are surrendered. Nobody has a phone. நீ எது கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ற? கிளம்பு. Okay, everybody say bye to her. Bye, bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, expect life and live strong.
Bye, friends. Expect great things and live strong.
Okay, so the first round, enjoy this exercise and at the same time learn.
Yes.
So the eagle calls Udeshi Brinda to the middle. Eagle calls Mitra to the middle.
All the best, Mitra.
Thank you, Guru.
Eagle calls Guru Prasanna in the middle virtually, so Guru Prasanna. So 3 members to start with.
All the best, Guru Prasanna.
Thank you, friends.
Okay, so now listen to the command.
Good morning, Eagle sir.
Yeah, thank you. Right. Yeah, eagle is the only bird that has got radar mechanism in the brain. அதுக்கு வந்து இந்த பால் வந்து இங்க இந்த ட்ரீ அவ்வளவு அப்படின்னு ரேடர் மாதிரி அதனால ஈகிளோட ரேடர்ல பாருங்க அப்படிமா பேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க ப்ராப்ளம் வரும்போது பேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க நீங்க வெளியில வந்து பாருங்கன்னு சொல்லும்போது சைக்காலஜில ஈகிள் ரேடர்னு டெர்மினல் அதனால சைக்காலஜில அப்படி ஒன்றும் கிடையாது நானும்
நீங்க பண்ணதா
ஓகே ரெடி for the command?
Ready, sir.
இது ஒரு மோனோலாக் மாதிரி நான் கொடுப்பேன் அதாவது வெளியில இருக்கவங்க நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்க உள்ள இருக்கவங்க நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்க ஓகே
குரு நோட்ஸ் எடுக்கக்கூடாது
குரு பிரசன்னா நீ வந்து இப்போ ஃப்ளோர்ல இருக்க நோட்ஸ் எடுக்க கூடாது people off the floor can take the notes ரொம்ப நல்லா சார் இத பார்க்கலாம் ஒரு மோனோலாக் மாதிரி நான் கொடுப்பேன் ஓகே ரைட் listen to me very carefully instructions only once வந்தது ஏதாவது ஒரு நாள் சொல்றீங்க How are you, sir? Seriously, I would love a cappuccino and coffee. Okay, right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Class 3, 2, 1, go. Saturday morning, 9:30. Online team members, if there is a glitch, you can ask. Guru Prasanna, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
But now, ரெண்டு மைக் இருந்து பேசுறேன். My camera has a mic and I have attached a mic in the laptop, so glitch ஆக வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. Listen to me very carefully. Eagle's first instruction, Saturday morning, 9:30. Debra, D-E-B-R-A, is played by Mitra. She is an Anglo-Indian. Ciara, S-Y-A-R-A. She is not an Anglo-Indian but a Christian, played by Brinda. Ciara, S-Y-A-R. And Dilip, D-H-I-L-I-P, played by Guru Prasanna. Time Saturday morning 9:30. Place Deborah's wood farmhouse. Sierra visits Deborah, and Deborah was seeing a very unfortunate scene of a big murder in Netflix series. She was rattled by looking at it. The screenplay, the effect, and the kind of the dramatic trauma that they have put up, it all ratified Deborah. Sierra comes inside and Sierra says, I have a very important thing to say. Deborah says, I have a very important thing to share as well. Dilip is going to call over the phone. That is little later. Now the first sequence, Deborah describes, no, you say afterwards, but I would like to say mine. So Deborah advances and she describes the Netflix series. And she describes that particular scene. Vrinda, in her character, she puts her hand on the head and she is really horrified. And she says, this is exactly what I wanted to say. I saw a news in the newspaper which carried about a murder and you are exactly repeating the same. But what I am saying is real. Deborah says, what I am saying is drama. This happened exactly in the apartment which is 4 blocks away. This conversation goes on between Deborah and Sierra, and at a time I say cut, they both will freeze, and then I will bring Guru Prasanna. Now Guru Prasanna does not have scope, and you have 2 to 3 minutes time for this.
To enact.
Enact. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, action, enact.
No. Wait. Let me say one important thing. Last night, I wanted to call you, but the time was around 11:30. I saw a Netflix series. The one mistake that I did was subscribing it. Last night, I saw. Sir, got it in for you. What minute? Sir, I will just mention the name and everything like A, because it's one minute. There was a movie that I saw. It was a series, okay? It was like episodes. In fact, especially the third episode, it's a series of 5 episodes. The third episode was a turning point of the story, where a murder happened. Yes. That was a mystical series. It happened in a good house similar to mine. This good house was similar to that. I'm not able to describe the whole thing. The protagonist comes in, we hear something, then the protagonist gets into the main room of the room, and that it was exactly the same good house. And it seemed like they shot their whole series in this particular house. It was like that, and the screenplay, the effects that they added upon the behind the scene, and the murder was done at night. Murder happened at night, yes. What made you coming to speak about? That was so horrifying for me.
I wasn't coming to speak about the same thing because this was written today morning. I read this in newspaper. Same what you told was happened.
When did it happen?
It happened exactly 4 blocks.
4 blocks away means that Red Plus apartment or something. That
Yes, it will be like your house, right?
Oh, okay. Did you come passing by that road?
Yes, I came passing by.
What did you see any changes to the apartment or any crowd or
Yeah, there was some crowd, but I don't know how to describe it. But I got some bad vibrations. I come up, and I wanted to say it immediately because you are also living near to that. So I wanted to say that information will be different.
Cut and freeze. Good job. We will give the appreciations later. Now let's get to the screenplay. Now Dilip calls, and Dilip calls Sierra. So Dilip says, Sierra, where are you? And Sierra says, I'm in Deborah's house. So Dilip is not a very close friend of Deborah, but he knows Deborah. But Sierra is a very close friend. And Dilip says, I have a very sad news I thought of sharing with you. And Sierra says, you know what, we both are also very, very sad. Okay, so it's as a friend, it's my responsibility. Tell me, my uncle got murdered. Dilip says, what are you saying? Yes, my uncle got murdered. He is a very distant relative, but uncle is an uncle. So where are you calling from? I'm right now at Mumbai and I'll have to catch a flight and I'll have to reach there. But the very reason why I'm calling is it happened somewhere very near where you and Deborah are residing. And only then Deborah and Sierra are realizing that the horrified incident that was happening in the apartment was Dilip's family. So this conversation is happening. So the people who are going to be involved are Brinda and Guru Prasanna, and Brinda puts on the speakerphone and Deborah is also hearing it. So all the three are involved. 3, 2, 1, go, action.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is Dilip speaking.
Yes, Dilip, I am your friend. Why you called him this time?
Yeah. I want to share you sad.
Still, his voice maybe more than a dollar.
Tell me very frankly, Dilip, I am your friend only.
So the sad news is that my uncle got murdered yesterday.
Your uncle.
Yeah, my uncle got murdered yesterday, and it was at night, so I wasn't able to visit there.
Name of your uncle?
Name of my uncle is Ramesh.
This one says that he's not the
Cut and freeze. Cut and freeze. Now, the next sequence, Dilip has come back and Dilip is in the spot, the affected place. And somebody to Dilip has mentioned that Deborah knows that this murder is supposed to happen. So your own friend Deborah knows this. So you got to get the enquiry from Deborah. So Dilip comes with half knowledge and he talks to Deborah. Besides knowing that there was a murder that's going to happen, why didn't you alert me? Deborah is really shocked. She doesn't even have an idea what Dilip is speaking about. Now Dilip says, you have this, and Sierra also supports Dilip. You have this extra sensory perception right from the school days. So you used to say something and that will happen. Similarly, that's what happened. Deborah said something and Sierra carried the same message of the thing that has happened. So there is going to be a conflict between the three friends. This time, Dilip is not over phone, Dilip is in Deborah's house. 3, 2, 1, go, action.
So Dilip, you're so worried, but I think everything is because of you. Day before yesterday, when you called me, you said about this incident, like I was feeling like something bad. So because of your bad vibration and the thinking you got, I think because of you only, it being like this. Because with Dipra was saying that she saw episode 3. So in that also it happened like this. And today morning newspaper also I read like this.
No, it was not of me. It was all of Deborah. Deborah knows that there would be a crime happening, but he wasn't telling me at the time.
No. I think you are not aware of the whole situation, Dilip. You know what happened? I narrated the whole story of what happened last night to Sierra, but I think she didn't tell you about those. You know, yesterday night I saw a particular series, a third episode of those, and in that the murder actually happened. Okay, the person with the screenplay, the effect, and that person, the person who got murdered, name was also similar to your uncle. So I'm not aware of those. How can I know that that was your uncle who is going to get murdered?
Cut and freeze. Yeah, okay. Finish. Guru Prasanna, finish.
You're lying. You know that's my uncle, and you have planned to kill our uncle. Why have you did like this, Deborah?
Sorry, Dilip,
Dilip with the Guru, Deborah with Deborah. Party phone. Dipra. Yes, Dilip, I am your friend only.
I am Dilip.
You can do not. your uncle. Hey, which uncle? Hey, which uncle?
Today morning only.
அவன் என்னமோ எங்க அங்கிளுக்கு ப்ரமோஷன் கிடைச்சிருக்கு சொன்ன மாதிரியும் எந்த அங்கிளுக்கு ப்ரமோஷன் கிடைச்சது கேட்ட மாதிரி hey which uncle your uncle okay right jokes about
Sir, I don't know to speak sadly, sir.
இல்லடா உன்ன சொல்லல நீ you are online பிருந்தாவுடைய சாகசங்களை right okay but other things were fine ready jokes apart 3 2 1 go now self image call Dakshu Siddharth self-image of Dilip. Raman stand very much straight to Dilip. Brinda stand here, Mitra come here. Okay, so the self-image conversation between Dilip and Dilip's subconscious and the self-image. Now, self-image of Dilip is going to be acted with the remote, and I'll be acting as a remote. Now, Dilip is going to ask. Dilip has got 4 problems here, boys and girls. Number 1. He doesn't know what to do and how to deal with the sadness. Number 2, he doesn't know whom to trust. He's not able to trust Deborah. He's not able to trust Sierra. And hell with the case, he's not able to trust his own self. The third thing that Dilip is suffering is a kind of a fear, a kind of an uncertainty. And the fourth and final thing is what to do next. So, Bhagavad Gita says the answer always lies within. So Dilip has read Bhagavad Gita pages the previous night, so he decides to speak to within, and that within is standing here. That's a self-image. So Dilip is having a normal conversation with self-image. Like he has to speak about, okay, Dilip, what do you think? So Dilip speaks to Dilip. Let's have the conversation. Now, for the first 2 questions, the eagle remote sensor towards Dilip's self-image is dichotomous. Yes, no, true, false, correct, wrong, only. For the first 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. Dilip.
Sir, I have some network. Sir, could you repeat the first question alone, sir?
Yeah. So, Guru, I'll start from the beginning as you said. So, till the self-image part it's clear, right? I'm the self-image.
Yes, na.
So, sir says you're a big fan of Bhagavad Gita and this. So, in Bhagavad Gita, they always say that if you don't know the solutions to various problems, then ask yourself. That's what you will find the answers from within. So, now you are talking to yourself and you have 4 problems. The 4 problems you heard, right?
No,
Uncertainty.
except the first problem, I heard all the problems.
Yeah, 4th problem is what to do next. You don't know what to do in the future.
No, first problem I was not able to hear.
Yeah, so you don't know which person to trust, okay? And you're very sad. That's the first one.
How to deal with the sadness is the first problem.
Because your uncle passed away in this scene, so.
Right, come on. 3, 2, 1, action.
So, how to deal with my sad? Should I go back to Mumbai and work on my work, or should I stay here and take my uncle's family? Take care of my uncle's family.
Okay, remote control can answer the statement.
So I think you should first go and talk to your relatives, our relatives.
Please, ஒரு நிமிஷம். இது வந்து நீ ஒரிஜினலா திலீப் உடைய சப்கான்ஷியஸா பேசுறது மட்டும் இல்லாம ட்ரைனிங் இனிஷியேட்டிவ்ஸ் ஃபுல்லா போட்டு ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு உண்மையான செல்ஃப் இமேஜ் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த மோட்டிவேஷன் நீ
எஸ்
இதான் ஓகே எல்லாத்துக்குமே இதான் எஸ் ஓகே செல்ஃப் இமேஜ் ப்ளே பண்றவங்களுக்கு பெரிய ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இருக்கு எல்லாரும் செல்ஃப் இமேஜ் ப்ளே பண்ணணும் so this time keep come on yeah
so Dilip, first you have to visit your relatives and you always talk. I know how much you admire a person called Dr. Medical Dental Wilson. So you always admire his way of thinking and how he proclaims himself and the various therapies he gives you. So right now you have understood a lot about yourself, more than what anyone else did, because you attended MSc sessions. So now take the learnings from that. First go to your uncle's family members and talk to them. Make them feel comfortable, and that will make them, it will console them a bit, though this loss is unbearable. But still, you can go to your uncle's family. You can stay with them for some time. Ask more questions and I'll answer them.
That's beautiful. Okay, so second question. One last question and then we are moving on.
Okay, sir. So, whom should I believe? I should believe Deborah or the unknown person who told that Deborah was knowing that knowing my uncle would be killed, and he was not giving me uh, giving me he was not she was not saying me the information earlier.
Okay, Guru Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
கான்வர்சேஷன்ல வந்துட்டு லாங்குவேஜ் எப்படி vocabulary உன் மைண்ட் எவ்வளவு வேகமா தேடுது பாத்தியா?
Yes, sir.
சோ இங்க தான் நீ இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். சோ what you are doing is போன மாசம் முன்னத்து மாசம்ல இருந்த விட இப்ப இம்ப்ரூவ்டா பேசிட்டு இருக்கு. குட்.
Super Guru, keep it up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.
Right. Okay. So the now remote control is again the same. You can speak in the solutions. I mean, statement. No, statement. Because this question,
Yes.
dichotomous is not.
The vision, the person, the reclaimer should, the real person should actually ask the question so that the self-image should be able to answer the dichotomous method.
Right. That's a responsibility. Yeah.
So, Guru, you know Deborah for past 10 years, and you know the unknown person for the past couple of days. So, you know the right choice. You have understood Deborah. You have attended MSc sessions, so you're good enough to make a character study on anyone that you're closely acquainted with.
Stupid self-image. His name is Dilip, not you.
Guru Dilip. So, Dilip, you know Deborah for the past 10 years, and you know the unknown person only for the past couple of days. So now think, you have attended MSc sessions, you are good enough to make a character study on a given person, and to make character study on Deborah is much more easier because you have known her for the past 10 years. So you have learned about Johari self-window where you can analyze yourself. If you are good enough to analyze yourself, then try to analyze the other person from your perspective. Try to understand Deborah. And as far as I'm a self-image, as far as I've understood Deborah, she's not a kind of person who will, spread false claims and stuff. She's a very good person. And the moment you spoke with that unknown person, I had a negative impression about that person. So I don't think that person is saying the truth. So you have done a lot of therapies, you have done the Johari self-analysis window, and you have done everything to understand yourself. So you are also good enough to understand others. So please don't throw away your friendship for the past decade just for this random person who showed up 2 days ago. You don't even know the person's name. So don't jeopardize your decade-long friendship for this.
Okay. Good job. Very nice. We are coming to the conclusion of the first story plot that involved Mitra, Brinda, and Guru Prasanna, and the climax is going to happen right now. So the climax is so now we are going to have the two self-images. Brinda self-image is going to be Asathaman, and Mitra's self-image is going to be Vishnupriya. Self-image, right? Stand against Mitra, stand against. இல்ல ஆன்லைன் தெரியணும்ல இங்கே. So main person இங்க main person அங்க நீ ராசோ. So this is going to be the self-image problem of Deborah and Sierra. So Deborah has called for self-image for a puzzle situation where Deborah is starting to doubt that she is being seen as an evil image, holding all negative ESP, and that is her tendency, and that is actually depleting her integrity. So, tanoda integrity பாதிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குதுனால she is looking for some solution in self-image, from self-image. So Vishnupriya should act accordingly. And basically speaking, she wants to regain the trust and the very good healthy friendship of Sierra and Dilip, which is on the toss right now. So இது ரெண்டும் Deborah problem. As far as Sierra goes, Sierra is in a very guilty situation where she was not able to help her friend Dilip, alerting Dilip, but it was uncontrollable. Sierra get up their option illa. So Dilip எப்படி கன்வின்ஸ் பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. So she is looking for some help from self-image. Second thing is Deborah கிட்ட ஒரு door form ஆயிடுச்சு. There is an invisible door between Sierra and Deborah, although they are very good school friends. Your number தான் வேண்டாமான்னு சொல்லி. But she wants Deborah's solutions and she wants Deborah's closeness. மறுபடியும் நல்ல friendship இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு எப்படி Deborah டீல் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியல. So she is supposed to take help from self-image. This is what is going to happen. Remote control. The first self-image talk is between Asathaman and Brinda, and dichotomous. Asathaman should answer only. Okay, better yet, Asathaman can answer in 3 or 4 words. 3 or 4 words. That's the first remote control part. 3, 2, 1. Sierra.
I don't know how to control the so I was thinking about like I need a very good friendship from her and also that. So I don't know how to convince him because Dilip is very he was so sad and he was feeling that because of the money everything was happening. I don't know why. But also I convinced my friend, which is very good friend of me. She was a very good school friend for me. She actually helped me a lot of time. I don't know how to convince these both, and I don't know that I could believe them or not. I could believe them totally. I'm not having that much belief in myself to how to convince them.
Okay. Remote control. Speak in a flow with a couple of statements. Not 4 words. You can like Dakshin did. You can speak in statements. Come on.
So I think you should have a better communication with all. Just not to let the kid take over. You have to communicate with them so that at least you can get an idea who will do this and who will do that. And you should try to like investigate, not like going to a big moat. Just try what happened, what you did communicate with him, with his uncle, and you'll have to try to ask everyone nearby, and so that you might get an idea and you might know who to trust and who not.
Okay. All right. That's a good answer. Now we are moving on to Deborah. So Deborah is asking her self-image about her integrity is being put into the crossover, and she wants integrity back, and she wants Sierra and Dilip to put her name into the good books of their heart, and she is asking the solution for self-image. Again, remote control, full flow statement. Go.
My dear self-image, you have been accompanying me for the past 25 years. You know that I'm affected with extrasensory perception, and you know how many steps I'm taking to overcome that. First, before I get into the question, do you think that I am feeling a little better in this perception because have I improved because in my childhood, you know, what are the events that I faced, the consequences because of those, and later on I had to undergo lots of therapies and lots of treatments. Do you think that I'm improved now?
So like
Free flow statements.
yes, you have improved a lot because in those days you would get emotionally breakdown if something small happens. But now you are able to tolerate this till this, and you are able to ask me about the solution. So you have definitely been improving now.
The last time I was affected with this perception was like a few months ago. After the therapy, only last night I got affected with this. Last night, I didn't know that this is going to happen in reality. That the months ago, even that happened was a little different, the consequences that I faced. But here, it's playing with my integrity, the friendship that I have with Sierra and Dilip. Dilip is a third person for me, but still we were good
You know,
friends.
Dilip is a friend, but not as close as Sierra.
He is a friend, but he doesn't interact with me a lot of times as Sierra does. But here, my friendship is on toss. The integrity, the way that I spoke, the times that I spent with Sierra is on toss. The way I behaved with them. Do you have any solution that I can regain my integrity back and the friendship that I had?
Yeah, so that is a way.
Please. Before Vishnu answers, Balaji and Kalpita Shri, you can type if you want in order to help Mitra. That can be taken. This is going to be coming to an end, and your solution, go with the free flow of mind and type whatever the solution you would like to give, whether it is Sierra's problem, whether it is Dilip's problem or Deborah's problem, any solution. எது முடியுமோ அதை அனுப்பிச்சிங்கன்னா கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணீங்கிறதுக்கு உங்க டீமுக்கு மார்க் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு வசதியா இருக்கும். So come on. both of you get into that business.
Come on, Kalika, come on, Kalika.
3, 2, 1, start.
So, first thing that is, you have to forget about this. So, for that, you can, there are a couple of therapies that Mahendra has mentioned while you went to MSc session. So, that is lost key method and synaptic model. These both will definitely help you to come out of this. And you can also suggest it for belief. And then he would understand that she has not done this. If you have done this, you would not be giving some therapy to recover from the bad past that he has. So if you suggest some therapies for both like Dilip and Sierra, they both will understand that yeah, you have not done the mistake, and they'll regain your integrity and your friendship back, and they will definitely apologize to you.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Very, very good. The next. ஒரு செல்ஃப் இமேஜ் கோட் போட்டுருக்கு, புது வாட்செல்லாம் கட்டிருக்கு. நீ இப்படி இருக்கிற ஒரு செல்ஃப் இமேஜ் புஸ்தகம் புது வாட்செல்லாம் அவர் கட்டுறதுக்கு இப்படி 4 லைட் தெரியுது, இப்படி 4 லைட் தெரியுது. அது கரெக்ட். முடிஞ்சது. Okay, so very well done, Mitra, Guru Prasanna, and Uday Shri Brinda. Thank you. Glad you liked it. Everyone done. Thank you. Very good, sir. Thank you. Pano.
யார் ரமேஷ் ரமேஷ்
ஆமா, மனிதன் கிட்ட பேசி பொன்னியின் செல்வன் கூட ஆட் பண்ண சொல்றேன். போமா.
சூப்பரா
ரைட். சரி. இப்போ the next round 1 முடிஞ்சு. Debra and Sierra fantasy அப்படிங்கிறது அந்த கதையோட பேர். அது வந்து round 1ல முடிஞ்சது. இப்போ ஸ்கோர்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். ஆனா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி முக்கியமான மேட்டர். Kalpita and Balaji are busy in typing, but now I have a question. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு நிமிஷம் டைம் இந்த ஸ்டோரியில ஒரு குவிக் ஃபிக்ஸ் சொல்யூஷன் சார். இப்படி ஒரு சான்ஸ் எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருந்ததுன்னா நான் அதை பத்தி சொல்லலாம்னு இருந்தேன் சார். நம்ம மைண்ட்ல ஒரு தர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதனால எவ்ரிபடி லைக் சிபிஆர்டிகன், குரு பிரசன்னா, பாலாஜி and Kalpita are already typing. ஸோ நீங்க 5 பேர் குவிக்கா உங்களுடைய ஓவர் வியூ இல்லாட்டி ஏதாவது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் யாருக்கு வேணாலும் நீங்க சொல்யூஷன் சொல்லலாம். சார் திலீப் இப்படி பண்ணிருக்கலாம், சார் என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் டெப்ரா எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கணும், சார் என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் சியரா எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு யாரை பத்தி வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். லேர்னிங் எல்லாம் கடைசியில் பார்க்கலாம். சொல்லுங்க. And after that, on the floor, Asatama and Rashida. Okay? Right.
இன்னைக்கு
கண்டிப்பா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுவோம். அப்படி சப்போஸ் உனக்கு நீங்க கிளாஸ் இல்லையா?
இல்ல
அதனால சொல்றேன். ஸோ பண்ணுவோம். உனக்கு 7 மணிக்கு சரி பரவாயில்ல, நீ என்னோட முடிச்சுட்டு. Okay. For Debra problem, try to correct your mistake using switch pattern. That's Balaji's contribution. So switch pattern is Balaji's contribution. Say, let Kalpita type. Now, Brinda, tell me on a free flow. Unnoடைய solution ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா சொல்லு.
Sir, I have solution for fear, sir. So my first solution is for Dilip, sir. So Dilip, he was so fear, and when he was expressing his self-image, he like lose his belief, sir, or self-belief, sir. So the only way he wanted to do was self-realization, sir. He wanted to realize himself.
I think that should also mention that. So that will be also something.
Yes.
Self-realization. Okay.
Self-realization, and he wanted to know the circumstances and how it's working. And did I very important? He can ask questions also, sir. Like, if I did any mistake, in which way I can correct it? If I did mistake, in what way I can rectify it, and what way I can search for solutions? Because here he.
Self-realization. சரி, நீ வந்து திலீப்போட சொல்யூஷன் சொல்லிருப்பி. டெப்ராவோட சொல்யூஷன் வேற யாராவது இருக்காங்க? 3 பேருக்கு இருக்கா? சரி, குயிக்கர். Self-realization for Dilip. Dilip is self-realization. Same. Debra.
Sir, Debra, sir, she wanted to be like she wanted to be very free, sir. She don't want whatever she's seeing, she sees as a real, sir. So for that, she should know that she should think in 2 perspectives, sir. One perspective is real is different from ritual, sir, and another one is the real always it might touch sometimes, but we have to learn something, sir, from everything, sir. So because she varies the real and ritual, sir, she can come out of the situation, sir, because knows the variance of both the things and she can come out of the problem which she has. Then
Good.
the third one is Sierra. So Sierra is
இன்னைக்கு முடியாது சார் நாளைக்கு
Sierra, no, I don't know. I'll come back. So Brinda has exclaimed about Deborah and Dilip. Aswatham, tell me, choose one person, not all the three, we don't have time. Choose one person and say your three-flow solution learning as a third man's perspective.
So Dilip, sir.
Ah.
Why I choose Dilip is he's all like the main victim here, sir.
What makes you think that Dilip is the main victim?
Sir, because more than anyone he's been with us because his family is only being murdered.
Okay, so what's the solution for Dilip?
Sir, what he did was he accused another person, sir, and because without thinking much, sir, he accused us. So
Not realizing his mistake.
Yes, sir.
He's accusing the other person,
Yes, sir.
right? It's not okay.
Sir, so he should be doing the last thing with it, sir. And once he is a bit free, sir, he can come and see what happened, and then he can see who do this and who do that. Almost mostly like I said to Sierra.
Okay. Nice.
Because accusing someone.
But the problem here is, as you are mentioning about the solution, Dilip does not have time to think as you are mentioning as deep. நீ சொல்ற மாதிரி ரொம்ப கிளியரா டீப்பா யோசிக்கிற டைம் எனக்கு தான் ஆச்சு. The solution correct. நீ சொன்ன மாதிரி அவனுக்கு இருக்கிற பிரச்சனை விட்டு அவன் பாத்துக்கு ஈஸியா மத்தவங்க பிளேம் பண்றான் அப்படின்னு சொல்ற. அவங்க ஒரு propensity of emotions. டைம் அப்போ அவன் என்ன செய்ய?
Sir, he'll have to take some minutes and think what he should do, and then he can schedule his own timings.
Okay, all right, fine, good solution, good solution.
That is Kalpita.
Kalpita's solution is taller than Kalpita. Okay, so solution for Dilip, Deborah, and Sierra. It's my responsibility to read it for everybody. Common solution: believe in their self-esteem. The 6 pillars of self-esteem. Practice of living consciously. Basic idea is to take a sentence and try to complete it. For example, if I pay more attention to all the three have to complete the sentence and examine themselves. That is practicing living consciously. So this is the first solution she has given for all the three on a common basis. Practice self-acceptance. Very similar to what Aswathaman has mentioned. Instead of self-acceptance, he was blaming the other person. So this is very much fitting to Dilip. All the three have to accept the circumstances and help each other. Yeah, that's a key word. Dilip, fear thrashing, 3-picture technique. He has to use it. Sierra, for forgetting the past, she has to erase the bad past. If it hurts, then she should go for cartoon therapy. These are the solutions. Great solution. I really like the first and second, self-acceptance and the living consciously. I am sure the living consciously must have been from Jay Shetty's book or Robin Sharma's book, because these two guys always speak about living consciously. Any case, good adoption. Nice job, Kalpita. Okay. So, Mitra, anything? Give it a shot.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I was sitting there, I got the solution, sir. Now I say it, sir. Communication, sir. The best situation it would suit for was when Dakshina was acting as a self-image of Dilip, sir. That is Guru, sir. At that time, if 2 points, sir. First is authenticity and second is communication, sir. Authenticity, sir. He must be aware of one particular point, sir. Whether he is hearing a false news or a true news, he has to check and investigate whether it is authentic, sir. That is applied to our daily life, sir. Many people here, most of the world's people don't get an authentic news and they start spreading over the world, and that's how rumors are spreading, sir.
Okay.
So we can apply this authenticity to both for this problem and also to the whole world, sir. The second thing, communication, sir. If he is, instead of blaming Deborah and Sierra, sir, Sierra is blaming me to Deborah, sir. But instead of blaming others, if they're having a smart communication, we deal with Dakshina and Asar being the self-made. If he is able to communicate with both the people, that is Sierra and Deborah, I think it will work out, sir. Communication is the best solution, sir. That could win our relationship And at the same time, it could also solve lots of problems. So investigating and analyzing the possible that's
So basic communication and talking it out.
Yes.
And inference handling.
Yes.
Good solution. Okay, Vishnupriya's parent has come. She has got a tuition today and she is leading. So put it on to Mother. Okay, everybody say bye to Vishnupriya. How did it go? That's it. Stay. Yeah, there have been something in the journey. Speech one bye. Okay, so let's get on. Guru Prasanna.
Yes, sir.
You have anything to say, or shall we move on to the next?
Sir, I have one suggestion for Dilip, sir.
Definitely.
Sir, as yes, sir. Sir, as Dilip was very misunderstanding Deborah, sir, he should have taken some time and relax yeah, himself, sir. Because if he relaxes himself and do meditation, if he could do meditation also, sir. If he could relax and then if he just like communicate to Deborah, sir, it would be uh, he was believing in an unknown person, sir. If he could just relax himself and just communicate with Deborah. Deborah would be saying the story, sir. He was in a hurry, sir. He should just relax his mind before going to communicate with Deborah. He should have relaxed his mind and yeah, if he could, he can do meditation also.
Right, that's good. So, Guru Prasanna, you are at the verge of improving. உன்னோட நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் கொஞ்சம் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா நீ இப்பதான் நல்லா பேசிட்டு இருக்க. இப்பவே ரொம்ப கிளிச்சஸோட தான் கேட்டுச்சு. So, ஏதாவது ட்ரை பண்ணு. Maybe change the location or see if you could get a proper access to the internet or something. Okay.
Okay.
Quick, short solution, especially for Deborah.
Sir, but it will be applicable to CR also, sir.
Okay.
But I want to focus on this because I've already given the solutions. Sir. Sir, so first I'll give learnings from 2 previous activities and then some therapies and videos. Yes, yes. Sir, one activity is the previous activity, the blueprint in the temple. Then the problems that these both are facing, sir, Deborah and Sierra, it's about maintaining their friendships, sir. It's like questioning the integrity of their friendships, sir. So there we have a book, How Stop and sir, where we have 92 tricks to maintain our relationship with a lot of people, sir. Business relationships or personal relationships or whatever, sir. There they stress upon, the author stresses upon the importance of being the good books of others, sir. So, and also adapting to the situation and not being too rigid, sir, or being flexible at times. Because Bruce Lee says that as long as you're like a bamboo, you go with the flow of the wind, you won't get harmed. If you're a rigid tree and if a tornado comes and strikes, then the more rigid you are, the greater the chances of you falling down. So, just examples, sir.
What's around you think, sir?
Yeah, the theory knowledge.
Sir, and interacting with people, sir. Like if we want to be in the good books of others, we should know how to interact with them, and we should also learn to make adjustments, sir. Because for a good friendship to prosper, we need to want to make adjustments. And one more thing about another activity is, sir, scientist interception in that activity, sir. One particular team, sir, what they did was they overthought and they in a presentation and. Like due to their overthinking, that presentation takes.
It was one before.
I don't know which teams there was.
His name is Lakshis.
Yes, sir.
Such an idiotic buffoon, and he was a scientist.
Sir,
you were also wearing a t-shirt. That's not
inspiration. Sir, so in that particular activity, one particular team, what they did overthinking, sir. So here they need not think too much about one thing, sir. People who overthink, they change their decisions at the last minute, which is not correct, sir. So they can stop overthinking, and you made a video of how letting go of situations, sir. Silence mechanism, being silent. Sometimes being silent to others, it will make them feel a bit like they'll feel guilty of shouting at the show if we are silent. So they themselves come and talk to us, sir, if we are silent at times. And also about cognitive behavior therapy, sir. The therapy is exclusively meant for changing the way we think. Our thinking patterns can be changed, sir. And if we want to do it ourselves without the help of therapist, then auto-suggestion, sir. So each two therapies can be done. And the last one is you mentioned a few days back that we should learn to blend with people and go around with the crowd, sir. It's not go in an individual path and try to do something, sir, because that would always leave us alone, sir. So you gave that particular learning that we have to learn to blend and mix with the crowd and go around with the crowds. So these were some of them.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. I am so happy that you have been really taking up a lot of solutions from MS Gaming sessions. That's always making me very, very fruitful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Guru Prasanna, yes?
Sir, I have one more solution, sir. Can I share?
Fast.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, that's the gunner attitude therapy, sir. Because in gunner attitude therapy, there will be there will be lot for all three, sir. Sir, because craft a proper self image that we have did in this activity, sir, and then it would be and then in the gunner attitude therapy, they would be saying like stay calm and collected, sir. The points you gave, no, sir. In that, if Dilip has done that, he would not like he would not misunderstood Debra, sir. Sir, and next one is mindset maintenance, sir. Sir, it would be also useful for Dilip, sir, because his mind was like in some misunderstandful to Debra, sir. So if he could change the mindset, he could have, sir. And the last one, sir. And you told that remonitor what you think, feel, and say and do, sir. If Dilip could do that, if he could just come over the problem that his uncle was killed, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fair enough. Good job. Nice. Now let's get on with the crucial thing before we go to the next floor of the eagle. So Team Asathaman, we will start with Team Asathaman. So Asathaman was acting as a self-image. So I would like to give 72 for Asathaman, and Guru Prasanna was acting as Dilip, and I would like to give 75 for 76 rather.
Opposite team or score note for rating.
இல்ல இங்க நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் டைரக்ட் எப்பனாலும் வந்து ஓபன் புக்ல பார்க்கலாம் நீங்க பாருங்க நீங்க நோட் பண்ணாலும் இங்க இருக்கும் so Aswathaman 72 Guru Prasanna 78 rather we had Dakshin Siddharth playing as the self image and also handing over solutions 82 for Dakshin Siddharth. So we had Vishnu Priya playing as a self-image, so we would like to give about 75 for Vishnu Priya. We had Brinda playing as the main role of Sierra, and she did really well, so we can give her 78 for Udeshri Brinda. So, who's that? Siri. So no mark for me. Okay, so now Mitra in the team Middle Bashni was acting as the main role of Debra, so she is given 83, and we would like to give Balaji about 73 for his solution handling. I would like to give about 78 for Kalpita for her solution, and 2 more compensatory. Vildabashni, Sanjay Bhaskar, Vitan or not here. So compensation. So I want a compensation to be given about 72 and 72.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Like a non-operative person's compensation, I would like the CP. Ever would I go? 70, 80, 75. Renduடைய average சொல்லுங்க. 78 plus 75.
$71.
0.8 government.
76 points.
76 for yeah.
Sir, around 70.
75, 76 points something.
75 to
So 75, 72.
75, 75. Compensation.
Thank you so much, sir.
72 for Aswathaman, 78 for Guru Prasanna, 82 for Dakshin Siddharth, 75 for Vishnupriya, 78 for Uday Shri Vrinda. Yeah, 83 for Mitra, 73 for Balaji, 78 for Kalpita, 75 and 75 compensation. So this is the first round. 3.
84, sir. Team,
385.
385. Okay, both team in channel with 1 mark difference. Now, Eagles flow, number 2. Yeah, 384. Thank you, Kalpita. So, Eagles floor, Aswathaman and Dakshin Siddharth. So, let me give the roles, sit back, relax, listen to the roles. And the third person, Guru Prasanna, Sibi is there, yeah. Okay. Sibi. Yeah, you need to get the Sibi man. Sibi, you hear me? Can you talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, on the floor, 3 people, self-image will be from the opposite team. Okay. So now, Aswathaman's name is Manish. Dakshin Siddharth's name is Harish. Sibi Adityan's name is Professor Bora.
Professor Bora.
Bora.
Bora. Sibi Bora. Sir Bora. Professor Bora.
Sibi Adityan is a professor in a college. Manish and Harish are in the college. They are doing their 3rd year electronics and communication engineering. So Professor Bora is their teachers. Now, these two are making lots of fun and frolic, and we will set up a chat, 2 chats here, and set up a classroom atmosphere. So, time is Monday morning, 9:30. The college regular timing is 9 o'clock. Professor Bora is already there on the class platform, and out of the 45 students, 43 students have come, except 2. One is Manish, another one is Harish. So 30 minutes later than the class, these 2 come. And these 2 come, Brinda and Mitra will be dummy students who are not playing any role. So they make fun of Brinda, they make fun of Mitra, and there is a senior person in the class who has been having a lot of arrears and who is still in the class. That role will be played by me. So we 3 are commonly sitting, and these 2 are making a lot of fun about the 3 other students. Professor Bora warns them. He also threatens them that he will reduce marks. He will complain to the principal. They are pretending as if they are respecting Professor Bora. Friends are also trying to advise, but they are making fun of everybody. Even rather, Manish is always bullied by Harish. Manish has got a little bit of an unconscious feeling that Harish always takes too much of advantage. Try to communicate him that, in the public when you are pulling my legs, I'm really feeling bad, dude. But Harish takes everything very lightly. Come on, between friends. So even when the senior most student, whose name is Maninder, so Maninder tells, that's me, Maninder tells, Maninder Singh, actually. Not Maninder Singh. So he wants Manish and Harish listen to Professor Bora and give some respect to the girls. They both are making fun, but even in that, Harish makes a U-turn and he also pulls the legs of Manish. So this is the first sequence. Act it out, 3, 2, 1, go.
Can make sense.
Yes.
Okay.
Maninder Singh was a former cricket player.
Oh, that's okay, blue channel. Maybe the soccer you can do. Another
One. Professor Bora is already in the class. நான் 3 பேர் இட்டுருக்கோம்.
ஓ இட்டுருக்கோம்.
ஆமா. நீங்க 2 பேர் உங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பெஞ்ச்.
ஓ
ஆமா. நீங்க உள்ள வரீங்க. ஆமா. ஸ்கிட் மாதிரி இல்ல. நீங்க தான் எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். போனது பாத்தீங்களா? ரெடி 3 2 1 go.
Hi everyone. Hi Andy. Uncle, how are you?
Hi.
Fine. Oh, are you still there?
Bora sir standing there.
What is the second? I don't know.
Use some respect. Take your seat.
Ammani
is absent.
Oh.
She.
Ammani Marus.
Why don't you take your seat? See, as a senior, I would like to advise you. Mariamma is on duty. She has gone for NSS. She is much better than you.
You also go to NSS from where?
Oh, Messi. Hey. Harish, you are unstoppable. Harish, you look to be you sometimes look to be a very good.
No. Yes, what is it? Yeah, he asked me, and I think for this.
Yes. Okay, you were about to say something.
Well, how are you? I'll come.
You were about to say something.
Sir, you know, sir, this boy was, sir.
You got the answer.
Sir, no, sir.
My God,
I
we are not
can expect that, sir. This boy always says some bad news. That's, sir.
This is drugs. I will talk to the principal about it.
Okay.
You see, I might be a senior person. I might be a person who has done a lot of careers, but I am a senior person
It's
nowadays.
like one evidence in your rules.
No, this is racist. You are making fun.
Sir, she's a
This is racism, dude. No, okay. I didn't see a beggar in Punjab, but I can see a lot of beggar in Tamil Nadu.
I come from India.
Yeah.
I'm not having a bad mood and I'm not selling any drugs.
You are doing that.
This is.
Did you see? Yes, I saw.
No.
I have got news. I got news from the. I will bring
You
you
are
the.
that you need courage. This guy doesn't have courage. He is not that courageous.
Harish, when are you growing up? You are actually pulling the legs of your own friend. What is this? And you are not taking care of it. You are not even taking serious of your integrity being spoiled by your own friend.
What integrity you have? Please.
Yeah.
Continue, sir. You
Hey, Bola. Yes, sir.
Sir, how are you, sir? Sorry, sir. Today, 5 minutes. How many minutes?
30 minutes.
That's fine for us. Sir, hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Bora, sir.
Hi.
Sir, we had a meeting with Narendra Modi, so that's why.
I know what you are speaking.
Because
I will try to principal. I will kind of your please try to give to
So much.
sir, don't scold us, sir. Don't scold us. Bora, we can sit, sir.
Mr. Bora, we don't even hear anything from you. You are not able to listen properly.
Bora, repeat. Once again. Very shortly. Come on. Siri, speak away.
Say slowly.
I will complain to principal. I know what you are saying. Complain to principal. I will minus your mark. Not comment. This is what keep quiet.
Why don't you show him some respect?
Sir, please reduce our marks to get out of college.
You're giving me double thumbs up. The double thumbs up is kind of informal gesture between our people.
He's like our friend now.
He
This year he came in this college. We know him for the past how many years? Even before he came here, we know him.
Yeah, I joined in 2014.
What guy?
is much elder than this, sir. You know that.
Okay, I agree that I had several arrears and I'm backlogged and I'm.
Sir, we don't consider, sir. We consider it's a very.
No, whatever this
No, no, no.
Yes, sir. No, sir. We all, you are like a senior person. We are considered as a very good.
No, I'm not, see, I'm not actually treated like a senior. They're insulting me to the max.
Sir, we are like, sir, leave them,
Sir,
sir.
I'm insulting this guy, sir.
You see, the reason why I'm in this college is, good friends and sisters like this, and that is
I'm
why.
not this guy.
Oh, you are always pulling me.
What did I do?
See, a couple of minutes back, you.
That's not case, I love Punjab. Like, y'all are brothers, Tamil Punjab.
Go and sit down. See, because of you both, we are not able to listen to the class.
What period now? Oh, easy.
Thermodynamics.
Yes, sir.
He's teaching us thermodynamics today.
Oh, it's not sir, Bora sir.
Praise. So this is what is happening every single day between Harish and Manish. And every single day, there are places where, the other students are literally praying that these two should not be showing up because it's, taking a lot of time. Now, the next sequence, it's in the canteen. So Bora has tried to advise. Now, in the canteen, Harish says to Manish that he is going to design a semiconductor machine, a motor for his water supply in his house. And he is looking forward to Manish's help. So now Manish says, because Harish is depending upon Manish because Manish has got the formula that could be given to Harish. So he is one way dependent upon Manish's talent. But here Manish is just pulling the plug, saying that, no, I'm not going to help you. And Harish is shocked. And now Manish reveals, because you're always insulting in front of others. See, even this morning in front of the girls over there in our class, you will try to always find chance to insult. So there is a kind of a conflicting situation, jokes off, a conflicting situation between Harish and Manish. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sit and take.
Yes.
What's up? Hey, why are you standing like this movement? You're standing like a statue. Okay, forget. I need help. I'm not requesting him, ordering you. We have a house there. My house there. There, water supply problem. Okay. So you just come and you have to help me fix it. You have to. I'm not requesting. You have to come there. And you have some power network, right? Let's make like a motor for the supply of water because the motor there is very in a bad condition and I don't. Whatever something you really know all that. So you come and fix come.
Sorry,
Sorry.
I don't want to extend this, but
Don't want to what?
I don't want to extend this, but
Extend what?
I don't want to.
Don't want to get. No, not help. You have to work for me.
I'm not going to work for you. Sorry. You keep pulling my legs at a front.
When did I put your leg, huh? Just stand properly anyhow.
It's like,
We are friends. That no you take seriously. And because of that you are breaking friendship with me. Last how many years? 10 years of friendship you are breaking for this.
for all the 10 years you've been pulling my legs and in front of everyone today you insulted me and how do we expect
I
that?
do the daily, bro. Why are you bothered about it today?
Yes, you do.
Yesterday also you did.
You do it daily, but today I can't tolerate you.
Okay, tomorrow you got it. Come, fix. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Hey, don't joke.
I'm 100% serious.
Don't laugh. Speak properly. You should come and fix that thing over there in my house.
Don't order it. Don't order it.
Only that, all that, without it.
So I'll come to fix whatever you're saying.
Come. That's what I say. Come.
One second. But make sure that you won't put my legs in front of anyone.
Manisha, come. Sorry, Manish, come. You'll go.
Praise. Now this is what is happening. So he doesn't even take Manish's words very seriously. And yes, Manish does go to Harish's house and he fixes it. And now we are coming to the climax of this particular story, and then we are going to have the self-image situation. Harish makes a project, and at any given point of time, Harish always believed that Manish will be standing by his side. So there is a professor. Professor Bora recommends both Manish and Harish towards one particular resource person, and that resource person's name is Balvinder, somebody from Maninder's place. And Balvinder comes and as a project replenishment manager.
So we are good at studies.
Out of the
No, sir, we're good at academics, sir.
In the project you are doing. The project you are doing. So, Brinda,
Yes, sir, ma'am. Yes, sir.
okay, so now the point is let me finish explaining things. So, in front of the resource person, Harish tries to submit his project, and the project was approved by the resource person. I'm having the plan of playing the resource person. So, he actually approves Harish's the explanation, the prototype explanation. But what happens is Manish instantaneously intervenes and he talks to the resource person and he tells that Harish has been stealing the ideas from the other projects and he has also done down to earth Wikipedia work and he collected a lot of data from the internet. It was not his own thinking. And because of that, since they were both were roommates, so Mr. Balvinder rejects Harish's project and Harish is heartbroken. Two friends with laughter, joke, fun and frolic have now become very big rivals and that's the turning point of the story and the self-image will be.
Yes, sir. Sir, so, but I did not do that, sir.
கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணு
Yes.
பொறுத்து பார்த்தா நீ கேட்கற மாதிரி இல்லை அவனை நீ ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு கேரக்டர் அசாசினேஷன் பண்ணதுனால he has made a conspiracy and he is proving it.
Okay.
Sir, Harish knows that I'm Manish.
அது கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல அந்த அந்த வைவா ஓசில நடக்குது டக்குனு வந்துட்டு நீ வந்து சார் நான் வந்து பேசலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறேன் நீ யாருன்னு கேட்கலாம் சார் நான் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு தான் அவனே சொல்றேன் சார் என்னுடைய க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் என்னுடைய ரூம்மேட் அவன் என்ன நினைச்சா நீ ஏதோ ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணி பேசணும்னு நினைச்சா அவன் நீ வந்து ரூம்மேட் போட்டு இப்படி சொல்லிடுறேன் சொன்னோடனே நீ கொஞ்சம் டாக்குமெண்ட் ப்ரூஃப் எல்லாம் காமிக்கிறேன் எவ்ரிதிங் வாஸ் குக்ட் அப் அண்ட் மேட் அகேன்ஸ்ட் கரெக்டாக கழுத்து கட்டி வச்சிருக்கேன் this is the learning thing. This is the self-image the solution and we will get the solutions from the achievements. Tomorrow Ratan will be here and Vishnu will be here. So how many more?
Okay.
So everything good.
Yes.
Good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Let's over.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you.
So we are basically coming to the close. Anything to be added to the online people?
No, sir.
Okay, you have any questions? Online
No.
people?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So, all right. So, Balaji, Kalpita, Guru Prasanna, and Sibi Aditya. Follow the subliminals, follow the therapy, and Kalpita, you are typing something. I'll wait till the message.
Bye.
Okay, right. So, in any case, expect great things in life and live strong. Bye. Keep shining. Bye.
Bye everyone,
Sorry, expect things and stuff.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends. Expect great things in life and go strong.
Bye.